Billy Boy.
Billy Boy.
Is it?
Billy Boy.
When you are talking about artists, and you don't mention Billy Boy,
Hey.
Ozorotanga.
That's a disgrace to the music industry. You can't speak of music and leave the name Billy Boy.
Okay, let's specify. We say we are in South Africa right now.
Yes.
When you talk about music by Zimbabwean nationalities,
Yes.
Billy Boy is the name to mention.
Yes.
I've been walking around in Chita research. Many Zimbabweans in here, they are very talented. They are good. But today, I want to say Billy Boy. Research, even the way I know it as it's perfect. Social media, pusha, even track record, the visuals. Yeah, so for now, let's clap hands for Billy Boy. Billy Boy, Billy Boy, Billy Boy.
One interesting thing is I've been watching the artist grow. From seeing him record with Jamai Records. The relationship with the producer. You can see that this artist is going somewhere.
Yeah, if you want to be a good artist, you have a good relationship with your producer. And that's a secret people tend to ignore.
Wow.
Guys, I am Bas Gangata.
I am Liket Magwizi, the graphic designer.
Today, our show, Aina Zita, it's all for all youth. And then we make a plan on how to promote each other.
Yes.
But today, Billy Boy. So, for those who are not subscribe button by then most say Billy Boy, Jeyden Billy Boy. We'll drop the link in comment section medu and in the description medu. Follow that link again. So for the time being, let me play you one song about Billy Boy.
Let's give them a video of Jeyden Billy Boy with the song "Bad Man is a Rasta."
Bad Man is a Rasta.
Oyo.
Wagwan Jama, this a King Billy Boy, run thing, way of life.
Production.
The girl are different, she's so sweet. You want me play with ya, pan the beat. I see the innocent, that what she is. My God, she wanna introduce a bad man. To her dad is a pastor, and the bad man is a rasta. She want me cut off me hair. She wanna introduce a bad man. To her dad is a pastor, and the bad man is a rasta. She want me cut off me hair. Listen what she say. She say you have to change if you really love me. You have to go to church and you read the Bible. I never go alone. I walk with my crew. They must know I want me really do. She say Billy, you have to call me every day. She say we go fuck when you marry me. She say we go kiss on our wedding day. That not one, you know. She want me to stop.
Wow. What a dope video.
Yeah, chakabatwa. You can see the effort in is kwa project in moon.
Yeah,
and
you can see the artist is pushing.
Isiri nyaya ngoti patasangana ndo patitra tune. You need to take time. Yeah. So, Liget, what's the current production route on Billy Boy?
Billy Boy is currently working on a single. I got in touch with Billy Boy. I realized he's doing a project. He's working on a song. He's working on a single.
I can just post it on social media.
Yeah, it's on Facebook.
Okay, fine, guys.
Check his Facebook.
You can go again, check Facebook and check Billy Boy. Pardon the latest project iripo. Let me feel it for you.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but I'm not born
Yeah, the artist is good. I also like the class. You know There are very few artists. There are very few artists. I like the class in the artist. Yes, that class.
And he's maintaining it very well.
You can actually see when you go through his profile. You can actually see that he has a class that he maintains. Even the haircut, you can see that he maintains.
He's a haircut a pondo.
Yes,
Pondo.
I want Chiro. In the Bonama artists, you see artists who can shave their beard. Artists who can't even maintain their.
Okay, guys, on this one, it's not me. It's Licket. Arutaura ipapo. Inini zvangu mune makati enyu iroro itori skill renyu. But apa babada kuti nditaure kuti okay, let me swallow it for now.
Digest it, my man.
Okay.
I like the class. Billy Boy.
Young star.
Billy Boy is our young star.
Young star. Okay, guys. Kuti zvinhu zvirambe zvichiitika, just press subscribe and drop a comment. We want to push Mageta youth. South Africa, maartist edu anogona kunoko, but havasati vasvika pana Billy Boy. Some of them, they don't know how to market themselves, and vari kungonakidzwa kuridzira mumatavheni musina kana vanhu and stuff. Yet
I forgot to mention, Billy Boy is playing on Trace.
Clap hands for Billy Boy! Let's clap hands for Billy Boy! Sound effect! Woo, 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 woo! Yeah, we want to thank Rastaman. Do our better sound.
Yes, and the crew behind the scenes.
Yeah, not to forget